Ian?
My name is Ian.
How old are you?
4.
And what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What do you do today, Ian? 4-year-old boy. What you gonna do today? You gonna show them your toy?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say? What do you say? I'm gonna show you a toy.
I'm going to show you my toys.
I'm just a little boy.
Go ahead.
Okay, my first toy is. Say her. Say my first toy is. Okay.
What is it?
Let's check this one.
Your second toy is.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness! What's his name?
Optimus.
Optimus what?
Optimus Prime.
Okay, what's the next one?
Bumblebee.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You just gonna stop there? And what's the next one? Uh-oh. Let me just eat it. See? Oh, you broke the barrier. Let's go use some knife. Alright, into it for the third toy. Okay guys, I'm gonna open my third toy. My third toy is gonna be a little crab. Krusty the crab. Alright, one more. You can't read it yet. No, one more. I hope you get a bad guy. I hope you get Megatron. Okay, my last one will be. Oh no, Electro.
No.
It's blue. What's his name? Read it. He is this guy, right? What's his name?
Help him, sweetie.
Megatron.
Oh, no, it's
Steel Claw.
yeah. Good job. Okay, Ian, show me all your toy. Hurry up, more all of these.
I like.
Anyway, just want to say that without risk. Yeah, hurry up. It's going to go on Facebook. Facebook! Now show me all your toy. Look at the camera.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness.
I like to see.
Say
You're not done
bye-bye.
yet, Ian. Hurry. Come here. Say, oh my god, look at the toy.
Look at my toy.
And then you throw all your toy at mommy and say bye. Just like you two, hurry. Throw all your toy at mommy and say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Not throw it to mommy. Hurry, throw them on camera.